Hello guys, it's me LALIT'S here. Today I'm going to make a simple calculator in Python IDLE shell 3.9.1. Okay, let's check how it works. Okay, now we are going to make the calculator. First, we have to take a hashtag and simple calculator. Okay. This is like the comments to make the code more readable. Okay. Now we are going to do the input function for like when you want the user to give the number. Okay. Now we are going to make the calculator. This is the comments tag. It's for like making the code more readable. We started with a hashtag symbol. Okay. Next we are going to make the calculator. Okay. Number 1 is equal to int. This is like it converts into an integer. But if the user gives the input as a decimal value, we have to give it as float. So I'll give it as a float and the bracket input. Okay. Another bracket and then symbol. Enter your first number. Okay. Now we just need to put two brackets. I guess this one we just need to add a colon here, and the next thing is the same. Just copy this, Control C, and paste it. Just change it to enter your second number. Okay, this one we're gonna change it. Okay, we can add underscore number underscore 2. Okay, underscore number underscore 1 underscore number underscore 2. Okay, we're going to the next line. We're going to do addition. Okay, addition. I'll just make it capital. Addition. Now I'll just use print bracket. This is known as empty placeholders, where you add two empty brackets. Okay, like two empty brackets to close a bracket, and in the last you just add the values so that it will be filled in the curly brackets. Okay, I'll show you. Curly brackets is equal to. Now this is the important part. Okay, point format. Okay, point format. Sorry, underscore number 1 underscore number underscore 1. Okay, don't forget this. You have to give the number as it is. Any text change, the whole thing will be ruined. Okay, just be careful of that. Oh, all right. Number underscore. Sorry, 2. Number underscore 2. And in the first, I forgot to give the underscore. Okay, here two brackets. 1 2, because wait, let me show you. It's just showing. Okay, this is for this as it highlighted, and the second bracket is for the whole thing. And next, print. Again, print number. Okay, this one we just have to. This number underscore number 1 will come right here, and this number will come right here. Okay, so we have to do this. Okay, I almost forgot the underscore in the front. And then for the addition, this is okay, and you have to do that and the addition, and then add and number 2 underscore number underscore 2 and bracket closed. Okay, next. Okay, now how do we get to know that this is for addition? Okay, let me just save it. I'll just save the file and I'll run the module. And to first number, I'll give 2, and the second number is 3. Now it's just coming like this. Now, what do we do? Oh, okay. Let me tell you. You'll have this doubt in the mind. Why is it coming 2.0, 3.0, and like that? That's because we gave the float value here. If you remember, we gave the float value, right? That's why. Now, how do we know that this is addition? And so ugly, right? To see no space, no gaps, nothing. Just plain numbers and text. So just add here addition. Addition. Okay. Now the next thing is subtraction. Okay, subtraction, and we have to print, and we'll just print as subtraction. And next, I'll just copy the whole thing here. Copy, and then just paste it. And here, just make it minus. Okay, minus. And next, the same thing for multiplication and division. Okay, now I just finished it up, and this line, okay, for everything is like just for showing that this this is like number 1, which is I gave 2, is divided by 3. Okay, it's like that. And for multiplication, it just can't show this star on the top. So what I'm doing is x. So it will get multiplied, right? And I want to show you this thing. Exponential, which means to the power of. Okay. I'll just write to the power of. Okay. Now what do we do is we just give the same whole thing. And I just copy it out. And here we need to give 2 star symbols. Okay, 2 of them. It's like this. It goes like this. It's really it's like just a bit complicated, but really easy. just really easy. Okay, and the next thing is to show it without a decimal. Okay, it's called a floor division. So I'll just write it as floor division. I'll just paste it. Okay, for floor division, what we need to do is two division symbols. Okay, two division symbols so that it gets floor divided. Okay, so it gets floor divided by this. Now let's save it. I'll save that. Save and run. Oh, invalid syntax. Okay, nice. Now because that was like that, so I just gonna add the star. I just thought that it won't happen like that, so I just added X. And because X is a letter, so it comes under string values. Okay, it comes under string values, and this number 1 and number 2 are data types. Okay, so it just come like that. They're variables, to be clear. They're variables. So if we just add like this, it will show the numbers and then it will show the sign between them. Okay, now let me save this again. Save and run module. It's coming out. Okay, now I'll just add the number. What can we add the number? Maybe 23. Okay, and 56. Okay, what is this? Why is this happening? Now that's happening because here, okay, fine. We'll just make it because I'm giving it here. I'll just make it disappear. I'll just backspace it. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how to leave a line in Python. Okay, that time when you saw it was so clumsy, right? It looks so clumsy and dirty. So I'm gonna show you how to leave a line in Python. So where should we leave a line? Fine, in the front, is it? First, you have to just do it like print and the same thing for string type. And then you have to do like division, it just comes like this. Okay, the cross, the southwards, the down facing towards the left. But this thing, we have to just do it the opposite. Now watch me. Like this. Division is this. Okay, so you understand. And N. It leaves a line. That's a line leaving format. Okay, I'll do it for all of them. Okay, now let us save and run. Okay, now I'll just save it again and run the module. Okay, my first number is 2, just to keep it easy, and second number is 3. Addition 2.0, 3.0 is 5.0. Subtraction 2 minus 3 is 1. Multiplication is 6. Division is 0.66666. I don't know. But the power of is 8 and floor division is 0. Okay. So now can you see this 66666? They are the answers which you cannot even read. It will be so big, right? So much big. Okay, I'll enter my first number 2, and number 3. Okay, addition is 5, subtraction is -1, multiplication is 6, division is 0.6666, infinity and beyond. The power of is 8, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and floor division of 2 and 3 is 0. Now, when you see, you get the output which you cannot even read. It's so big, right? So I know something which we can do right now. Okay, now you just saw that you'll get such big answers for division which you cannot even read. It is so big with so many complicated numbers without a stop. So for that, what you need to do is easy. In the bracket, just add a colon symbol and full stop, and you see the numbers, like how many numbers after the decimal do you want? After the decimals, I'll take 3 of them and F. Okay, 0.3F. Okay, guys, we'll just save the file and run the module. And okay, this time the really tough number. Okay, 23 is the first one, and 56 is 50. Wait, 5 is the second one. Addition, 23 plus 5 is 28. That's right. 23 minus 5 is 18. Right. 23 multiplied by 5 is 115. That's right. Division, 23 divided by 5 is 3. To the power of 23 to the power of 5 is 6436343. So that's 64 lakhs 36,343.0. And floor division, 23.23. Floor divided by 5 is 4. Okay. Okay, guys. Here I have the number. First one is 23. Second one is 5. Okay, 23 plus 5 is 28. That's right. 23 minus 5 is 18. Right. 23 multiplied by 5 is 115. That's also right. 23 divided by 5 is 3. To the power of 23 to the power of 5 is 64. No, 64 lakh 36,343.0. And 23 floor divided by 5 is 4. Okay. As always, guys, thanks for watching and wait for my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.